नाम से डरा मत करो।
Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back Murohar Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain trigonometry subtopic multiple and submultiple angles. Okay, now explain multiple and submultiple angles. So what is multiple angle? If A is an angle, then its integral multiples like 2A, 3A, 4A, like these are called multiple angles. Okay, integral multiples. So 2, 3, 4 like. So 2A, 3A, 4A are called multiple angles. So what is submultiple angles? Submultiple angle. If A is an angle, okay, then its multiples by fractions. Then its multiples by fractions like A by 2, A by 3, okay, A by 4. These are called submultiple angles. Okay, now explain important formula. First one, sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay. So sin 2 theta formula in terms of tangent 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Next, cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta formula cos square theta minus sin square theta. Only in terms of cosine 2 cos square theta minus 1. Only in terms of sine 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Only cosine. This is only sine. Okay. In terms of tan 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This is only tangent. Okay. Cos 2 theta formula. Only in terms of cosine 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay. This minus 1 bring the left side. So 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta. This is the most important 1 plus cos 2 theta formula. Therefore cos square theta equal this 2 divide on both sides. 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 is equal to cos square theta. This is only in terms of cosine formula. Cos square theta equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Now explain cos 2 theta formula in terms of sine 1 minus 2 sin square theta. This minus 2 sin square theta bring the left side and the cos 2 theta bring the right side. 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. This is most important. So 1 minus cos 2 theta formula 2 sin square theta. So sin square theta equal to divide 2 on both sides 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Okay. Now, so what is sin square theta? 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 and cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Okay. Divide these two formula. Sin square by cos square, we get tan square theta is equal to 2 get cancelled. This will be 1 minus cos 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. So this is tan square theta formula most important. Therefore tan theta equal to plus or minus root under 1 minus cos 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. Okay. Now explain tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta and cot 2 theta. Cot 2 theta formula, this is cot square theta minus 1 by 2 cot theta. Okay. So similarly sin theta. Sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Half angle formula. Next cos theta in terms of tangent 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Okay. So cos theta formula we have cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. In terms of cosine 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. In terms of sine 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. In terms of tangent 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Okay. Next I am going to explain tan pi by 4 plus a. Tan 45 plus a. So by using tan a plus b formula. So tan a, tan pi by 4 plus tan b, tan a, with a placed in pi by 4, b placed in a right. Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. This will be tan 45 value 1 plus tan a by 1 minus tan 45 value 1 minus tan a. So 1 plus tan a by 1 minus tan a. So 1 plus this tan a placed in right sin a by cos a 1 minus sin a by cos a. Okay. So let us do LCM. What is LCM? Cos a. Cos a plus sin a by. Okay. Therefore cos a plus sin a by cos a is whole divided by cos a minus sin a by cos a. Okay, one cos a get cancelled. So tan 45 plus a formula cos a plus sin a by cos a minus sin a. Okay, now explain tan 45 minus a. So by using tan a minus b formula, tan 45 minus tan a by 1 minus 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan a. Okay, by using tan a minus b or tan x minus y, tan x minus tan y by 1 plus tan x tan y, where xy placed in right 45 and a. So tan 45 value 1 minus tan a by this denominator value 1 plus tan a. 1 minus, we have tan a formula sin a by cos a, this whole divided by 1 plus sin a by cos a. So let us do LCM. What is LCM? Cos a. Cos a minus sin a by cos a plus sin a. Okay. This value will be cos a minus sin a upon cos a plus sin a. So after LCM cos a get cancelled. So tan 45 minus a formula cos a minus sin a by cos a plus sin a. Okay, now explain 1 plus sin 2a formula. Okay, this one can be written as cos square a plus sin square a plus sin 2a formula we have 2 sin a cos a. Okay, this is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, a plus b whole square. So cos square a plus sin square a plus 2 sin a cos a, this is the in the form a plus b whole square, cos a plus sin a whole square. Okay, like 1 minus sin 2a also same. So this one can be written as cos square a plus sin square a minus sin 2a. Sin 2a formula we have 2 sin a cos a. This is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. What is the formula? A minus b whole square. So where a placed in right cos a and b place in right sin a. So cos a minus sin a whole square. Okay, now explain cot a plus tan a. Okay, we have cot a formula 1 by tan a plus tan a. Okay, so let us do LCM. What is LCM? Tan a. So tan a is LCM. So 1 plus tan a into tan a, we get tan square a. Okay, so write as it is 1 plus tan square a by tan a. So divide multiplied by 2. Okay, so 2 times of this is the reciprocal of sin 2a. We have sin 2a formula 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Okay, this is 1 plus tan square a by 2 tan a. This is the reciprocal of sin 2a. So write 2 into 1 by sin 2a. This is nothing but 2 times of 1 by sin 2a is nothing but cosecant 2a. Cosecant 2a. 2 cosecant 2a. Okay, now explain cot a minus tan a. Okay, cot a minus tan a. Tan a formula 1 by cot a. So let us do LCM. Cot a is LCM. Okay, cot a into cot a, cot square a minus 1. Okay, so write as it is cot square a minus 1 by cot a. So divide multiplied by 2. We have cot 2a is equal to cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a. This is cot 2a formula. Okay, so cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a. This place in right 2 into this value cot 2a. Okay, 2 cot 2a. So what is the formula? 2 cot 2a. If cot a minus tan a is 2 cot 2a, cot a plus tan a is 2 cosecant 2a. Okay, now explain sin to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta. Okay, so sin to the power 4 theta. This can be written as sin square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square. So sin square theta whole square, right? This is cos square theta whole square. This is in the form of a square plus b square. We have a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay, this is a, b. So let us take a and b values, sin square theta and cos square theta. What is the formula? A plus b whole square minus 2ab. Where a value write sin square theta, b place in right cos square theta minus 2ab. 2 sin square theta into cos square theta. We have sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1. So 1 minus this, right, 2 sin square theta into cos square theta. This is very important result. Sin to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta. Okay, now explain sin to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta. Okay, sin to the power 6 theta. This can be written as sin square theta whole cube. This is cos square theta whole cube. This is in the form of a cube plus b cube. We have a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Minus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, let us take a sin square theta and b cos square theta. So what is the formula? A plus b whole cube minus 3 into a into b into a plus b. Where ab placed in right sin square theta and cos square theta. So a plus b whole square sin square theta plus cos square theta, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab, 3 sin square theta cos square theta into a plus b. Where ab placed in right sin square theta and cos square theta. we have sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1. 1 cube is 1. 1 minus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta. So this value will be 1. So this is 1 minus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta. This is very important result. Sin to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta value 1 minus 3 times of sin square theta into cos square theta. Okay. So now explain sin theta into sin 60 minus theta into sin 60 plus theta. This formula is sin 3 theta by 4. Very important result. And cos theta into cos 60 minus theta into cos 60 plus theta. This will be cos 3 theta by 4. Okay. Tan theta into tan 60 minus theta into tan 60 plus theta. This will be only tan 3 theta. Okay. Cot theta into cot 60 minus theta into cot 60 plus theta. This will be cot 3 theta. Okay. These 4 results most important. Okay, now explain important values. Sin 18 degrees is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4 is equal to cos 72. Okay. Next, cos 36. Cos 36 is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. This is equal to sin 54. Next, sin 36. Sin 36 is equal to root under 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. This value will be cos 54. Okay. Next, cos 18 value. Root over 2 plus 2 root 5 by 4. This will be equal to sin 72. So most important, these 4 values. Okay, now explain tan 7.5 degrees. This will be root 3 minus root 2 into root 2 minus 1. Okay. This is equal to cot 82.5. And second value tan 22.5 degrees. This is equal to only root 2 minus 1. Okay, this will be equal to cot 67.5. Next, cot 7.5 degrees. So tan 7.5 root 3 minus root 2 into root 2 minus root 1. Cot 7.5 values root 3 plus root 2 into root 2 plus 1 is equal to cot tan 7.5, tan 82.5. Cot 7.5 is equal to tan 82.5. Okay. Now I am going to explain cot 22.5. This is equal to root 2 plus 1. Root 2 plus 1, this will be tan 67.5 degrees. So most important values. Okay, now explain question number 1. Find the value of sin theta plus sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos theta plus cos 2 theta. Okay. We have sin 2 theta formula 2 sin theta cos theta and cos 2 theta. So 1 plus cos 2 theta, this formula, we have 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta, and sin 2 theta, this will be 2 sin theta into cos theta. Okay. We should apply these two formulae. So sin theta plus sin 2 theta, this can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta upon, first write cos theta. So 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta place write 2 cos square theta. Okay. In numerator 1 sin theta take out common. 1 plus 2 cos theta. In denominator 1 cos theta take out common. 1 plus 2 cos theta. 1 plus 2 cos theta. So 1 plus 2 cos theta get cancelled. Sin theta by cos theta, we have tan theta. So what is the answer? Tan theta. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Cot theta equal to 2 tan 7.5 by 1 minus tan square 7.5. Then find out sin 3 theta. Okay. So what is given? Cot theta equal to, this is the in the form of 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. What is the formula? 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. This will be tan 2 theta. Okay. This is equal to tan of 2 into what is theta? 7.5. Therefore, cot theta is equal to tan 2 into 7.5 is nothing but 15. So cot theta is equal to tan, this 15 written as 90 minus 75. Okay. So tan 90 minus theta, we have cot theta, cot 75. Cot 75. Therefore, theta is equal to 75. But our target is sin 3 theta. Therefore, sin 3 theta is equal to, so this is required, sin 3 into 75. So this will be sin 225. Sin 225 value, right? Sin 270 minus 45. So tan sin 270 minus theta, we have cos minus cos theta. So this is a third quadrant. So minus cos 45. This is equal to minus 1 by root 2. So minus 1 by root 2 correct answer. Okay, now explain question number 3. So what is given? X plus 1 by x value given 2 cos 20. Then find out x cube plus 1 by x cube. So what is given condition? X plus 1 by x is equal to 2 cos 20. Okay, so cubing on both sides. Okay, now this will be x plus 1 by x whole cube is equal to 2 cos 20 whole cube. Okay, we have a plus b whole cube formula. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, we should apply that formula where a value, a place in right x, b place in 1 by x. So what is the formula? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b is equal to 2 cos 20 whole cube is 2 cube is 8, 8 cos a cube 20. Okay, 20 degrees. This is where a place in right x, b place in 1 by x. 3ab into a plus b. 1x get cancelled. So x cube plus 1 by x, this is x cube plus 1 by x cube. This is our target. X cube plus 1 by x cube. This positive value bring the right side. 8 cos a cube 20 minus 3 times of x plus 1 by x. So 8 cos a cube 20. 3 times of x plus 1 by x value from statement, this value 2 cos 20. So let us take equation 1. So from equation 1, this value will be 2 cos 20. In this one, 2 take out common. 4 cos a cube 20 minus 3 cos 20. So this will be 2 times of, we have 4 cos a cube theta minus 3 cos theta. What is the formula? Cos 3 theta. Where theta place in right 20. So this is cos 3 into 20. So cos 60. Cos 60 value 1 by 2. 2 to get cancelled. Answer will be 1. So what is the answer? 2 cos 60. 2 into 1 by 2. So answer is 1. Moving on, next question. Cos to the power 6 theta plus sin to the power 6 theta value given 1 minus k times of sin square 2 theta. Then find out k value. First, we have to find this value. Cos to the power 6 theta plus sin to the power 6 theta. Okay. Cos to the power 6 theta, this can be written as cos square theta whole cube plus sin square theta whole cube. Okay, this is in the form of a cube plus b cube. We have formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Okay. So now where ab placed in right cos square theta and sin square theta. What is the formula? A plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Where a placed in right cos square theta and b placed in right sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. This will be 3ab into a plus b. Okay. So cos square plus sin square value will be 1. 1 minus 3 cos square theta into sin square theta. This value 1. But cos to the power 6 theta plus sin to the power 6 theta value given from statement. What is given? 1 minus k sin square 2 theta. Both side 1 get cancelled, as well as minus sin. So k sin square k times of sin 2 theta whole square. Sin 2 theta formula, right? 2 sin theta cos theta whole square. The minus also get cancelled. Sin 2 theta formula, 2 sin theta cos theta whole square is equal to 3 cos square theta into sin square theta. So this value will be k times of 4 sin square theta cos square theta. Okay, 2 sin theta cos theta whole square is nothing but 4 sin square theta cos square theta equal to 3 cos square theta sin square theta. Both sides sin square theta cos square theta get cancelled. K is equal, 4k is equal to 3, k is equal to 3 by 4. What is the answer? 3 by 4 answer. Let us go to the next problem. Find the value of 4 cos cube 40 minus 3 sin 50. We have one formula, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. This formula is cos 3 theta. Okay. So write 4 cos cube 40 degrees minus 3. The sin 50 changes to cosine function. So write sin of the 50 can be written as 90 minus 40. Okay. So 4 cos cube 40 degrees minus 3 sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta, this will be cos theta, cos 40 degrees. So what is the formula? This is in the form of 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, where theta placed in 40, right? What is the formula? Cos 3 theta, 3 into theta, cos 3 into theta, right? 40. Therefore cos, this is 120. Cos 120 value minus 1 by 2. So cos 120 is equal to cos, right, 90 plus 30. Cos 90 plus 30 value minus sin 30. So this will be minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 correct answer. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on next class.